Good morning, Advent Day 9, and as you can see, we are using the children as an exploitative method of getting your attention, a la, well, I won't say any of the major retailers because I can't be doing with a civil case or whatever. Right, so what we're doing is we're doing the quad rug, as Freya is admirably modelling. It's 4 sheepskins sewn together, the wonderful curly Yetti sheepskin. I'm going to come forward and show you the curl. I haven't told you the price, have I? No, sorry. So they should normally be, I think they're $465, but for Advent we're doing them for $199 for the whole quad rug, and essentially it's 4 of these wonderful curly ivory skins sewn together. And doesn't that look phenomenal? Doesn't that look beautiful? That's what we're doing. Yeah, all handcrafted here in Street, all matched together, and they're perfect for over settees, on the bottom of beds, just really on the floor, obviously. Perfect for when you get up of a morning, just get your feet in it all nice and curly snuggly. And obviously it's very easy. Oh, that's a point, I could tell you that, because there's Freya and she's happily modelling that one quite happily, but they're really easy to look after. They, if you get anything sticky, you've got to wash it like you'd wash your hair, just with a damp, moist, soapy cloth, and just make sure that you give it and you rinse it well. You spread the dirt, you spread the stain, don't leave it in one place, just kind of keep on blending it out and lift it. And you can wash it in the summer when you can dry it naturally, but don't do that. If you've got mud or dust or whatever, you can just hoover it or take it outside and bang it. So really there's loads that you can, it's easy enough to clean really. And they're really hard wearing. They're perfectly hard wearing, and they're absolutely glorious and comfy for kids to play on. And as we know, they love the texture of the sheepskin. Thank you, Grandad. That's very handy. Right, so where was I? 465 down to 199. I'll pay you your commission later. Yes, I will. Pay you.
She's working it, Gran.
Yeah, work the crowd. That's it, folks. I shall see you tomorrow. Have a good day.